We're in section 4.9.3, related stage code. So I'm going to go back to my terminal session, type in the commands, reset, x is a variable. I know it's rather repetitive. Like most tools, it is repetitive. All right? It's what you do with your tools that matters, by the way. Expression now. This is not an equation. EXPR 1. And I'm going to assign this over here, which is 1 divided by, let's see, 1 minus x minus 3 divided by 1 minus x cubed. All right, and then I want to go through the next thing. It says take that expression, expr1 dot limit. I'm taking the limit of that expression now. Now I'm going to say I'm taking the limit as x goes towards 1, and I want the direction to be, dir, and the direction I want to be from the right side. We use a plus sign for that. That's pretty typical in calculus. Plus for right side, the minus for left side. Minus 1. Now if I do the next one, the direction here is from the left side. All right, still get minus 1. Now my expectation if the left and right are agreeing, I'm expecting that the limit would be that as well. So let's take a look, and let's see how we did. Yep, minus 1. Now where does this one come from? Let's go through that. It's a pretty easy one. And it was this one over here. All right, so evaluate. It's a fairly straightforward problem, by the way. And hopefully you've looked through that, made sense out of that, especially with me at the whiteboard, and came up with the conclusion that the limit's equal to minus 1. We're not proving a limit, though. We're just going through like limit laws to do the problem, all right? Now in Sage, what is Sage doing? I'm really not clear about that, what Sage is doing. But Sage is quite good at doing limits, right? Quite good. Certainly better than I am by doing it by hand. As you know, I typed that stuff up for a reason. We want you to look at it, including my chicken scratch at the whiteboard when I went through those solutions. Again, thank you for paying attention.